Hey everybody, this is Rod from DFW Parties. I've had a few other DJs ask me about broadcasting wirelessly. So I'm going to show you what I've got. You can use some kind of variation of that, but I'm just going to show you some examples of what I'm doing here. So if you look in here real close, this is a Sennheiser, and it's actually an older one. It's a G2 model, and it's on the A band, so it's still legal. It's on the legal thing there. I've got this at 535.75. If you can't see that, that's fine. But it's broadcasting out on the A-band. The cool thing about Sennheiser is that the G2s, the G3s, they're all cross-compatible. So if you've got a G3 transmitter and a G2 receiver, as long as you're on the same frequency, it's fine. The only difference really with the G3 is that they expanded the channels by a couple of numbers. So as long as you're in that middle thing, did that just do something? Or
that was my phone.
Oh, that was your phone. Okay,
Sorry.
no, that's not. Keep going. No, that's not. Keep going. That's funny. We'll probably leave that in. All right. So over here on the side, on this case, I built in the antenna export, and so I put a half-wave antenna in here to kind of show you the example. And right now, I'm just running this simple mixer in here. So I've got some music playing. This is a G3 receiver, and I'll plug it into my Bluetooth speaker just to kind of show you we're pulling audio wirelessly from that unit. Okay, so how far does it go? Glad you asked. Come with me. Full signal. All right, so take a look here in the warehouse. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows of shelves that are stacked to the ceiling in rentals. The signal here is almost at full. I don't know if you can see that or not. Is almost at full. So pretty much anywhere in the room, if you're in the same room, you're going to get 100% coverage. Okay. Now, but we're going to take it up a step beyond that. All right. So we're going to set this down. As you see, we have the 8 rows of stuff to the show. We have the wall that the transmitter was in, and then we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to the ceiling stuff. Here's a 9th. With even more stuff. If you peek through here, we're talking about a cinder block wall. And I went ahead and set up a QSC speaker out here. Now bear in mind, we're outside the room, 9 rows of stuff stacked to the ceiling, and a cinder block wall. So got the G2 receiver running at the back of the QSC here, just in the input, real simple. The cords will be neater when you actually are in an event. But if you look in here real close here, the signal is 100%. 100%. We are through 9 rows of stuff to the ceiling, 2 sets of walls, one of which is a cinder block, full signal. So if you've got a room full of people in your normal, average, everyday venue, line of sight, as long as they're going, this is powered and that broadcaster's powered. So as long as you're powered, line of sight's no longer an issue. I don't care how many people you got in the room. We're dealing with cinder block walls here. Most of your venues aren't going to have walls maybe that big. But this is what I would imagine to be a worst case scenario. And it's performing at 100%. I don't even know how far down the street I could get this thing before it started losing its signal. So anyway, so that's the example. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Thank you.